Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Yacht Addiction YouTube channel. The yacht behind me is a 2017 Sea Ray L590. Now, like I've said before on the channel, Sea Ray is one of the most popular boat brands here in the United States. This is part of the L class, which stands for luxury, and it is one step down from the largest L class yacht, which is the L650, which I do have a tour of on the channel. This is the 590. Now, Sea Ray stopped producing the L class, or any boats over 40 feet for that matter, in 2018. So it's becoming harder and harder to find these yachts in excellent condition like this one. This boat is presented by Prince William Marina in Woodbridge, Virginia. They sell a ton of Sea Rays, both new and used. And we're going to tour this boat inside and out. Starting with the hydraulic swim platform. As you can see, there are a couple of tracks here. And this is where the chocks will slide in, and you can store a tender or a jet ski on the back of here. If we open this up, you'll see you have a good sized storage compartment. And let's make our way into the cockpit. Now, right away on the port side, you'll notice a joystick docking control station. This controls the Zeus pod system that's on the boat, making it very easy to back yourself into a slip. Now, in the cockpit, you'll notice this very large L-shaped seating section. And on boats this size that are owner operated, I actually like the idea of only having the walkway on one side and giving yourself more seating in the cockpit area. The owner of this boat opted for a custom sound system, so you can see all the extra speakers above. And you also have a bunch of larger speakers below. Over on the port side, you have a wet bar area. We have a small sink. There is a pull-out grill right here. And underneath that, you have an ice maker. You also have a bit of storage space over here. Now, these glass doors are enclosed in a steel frame, so it's a very sturdy section. As you can see, the door will open this way, but you can also take all three pieces of glass and slide them into this channel, completely opening up this space. So let's make our way into the main salon. The first thing you'll notice in here is this beautiful seating section. And this couch also actually pulls out, so you can add another double berth here. The couch is facing this entertainment system. We have a large sound bar and your TV. You also have a really nice bar area here. Now, underneath the bar, you do have some built-in storage, like a built-in wine cooler. There's some custom built-ins right here for glassware and your plates. And then the controls for your AV equipment is right here. Stepping forward into the galley and dinette area, you can see you have twin drawer refrigerators as well as freezers. You have beautiful quartz countertops, and your sink is right here. Over here you have a microwave and convection oven combo. And this boat also manages to fit a small dishwasher. Opposite of the galley is the dinette area, where you have another L-shaped seating area. And then this table will fold over, giving you easier access into the seating area. So you can configure this however you want. And because this is an express cruiser and not a flybridge, you have a beautiful sunroof overhead. These large panes of glass bring in tons of natural light. And when the weather is nice, with the push of a button, this entire area will electronically go back, opening up this space. You have twin custom STID seats up here at the helm. And then at the actual helm, you have a couple of Raymarine multifunction displays. Your compass is right above. And then you also have a Mercury SmartCraft system, which is just another display that shows you a bunch of information about the boat. Things like fuel levels, temperatures, and a whole bunch of other gauges and sensors. This boat does have a FLIR camera system, your VHF radio, your steering wheel, and then over here you have the throttle controls, as well as another joystick for the Zeus pod system. And then this device controls the Raymarine screens if you don't want to reach forward. Now that we've seen the helm, we are going to make our way down to the cabins. This boat is a 3-cabin layout. You have nice inlays in the stairs here, so you have plenty of grip. And we will start in the forward VIP cabin. This cabin has a large double bed with some built-in storage underneath. You have a skylight and hatch up above. And then there are closets on either side. Now this boat does have an ensuite through this door here. And this head also serves as the day head and is shared by the third cabin. So you have your toilet, and then a separate shower stall. As you can see, there's also a TV mounted and a Bose soundbar. Before we check out the third cabin, here is the electrical panel. You can see controls for the Seakeeper stabilization system. Here's your main distribution panel. And through this door is the third cabin. As many owners will do, they're currently using this as storage. But as you can see, you have 2 single beds. A cedar-lined closet with some built-in drawers. And then this boat also has a full-size washer and dryer. I also always appreciate when the materials in the third cabin are the exact same as the master cabin. You can see a little bit of that walnut detail on the back wall, and that's much more prevalent in the master cabin, which you'll see in a second. Through this door is the master cabin. It is the full beam of the boat. And this design was rather interesting, I thought. It's almost like a hotel style where they have the sink outside of the actual toilet area. And then through this door is the toilet and your separate shower stall. You have a rainfall shower overhead. So your master head is up here, and then you take a couple of steps down into this beautiful master cabin. Check this out. The queen size bed is offset at an angle, and you have more of that great storage underneath the bed. There's a lovely L-shaped seating area over here, and then this beautiful walnut detail on the walls. I also really liked the wall of closet space. And another hanging locker right here. Of course, you have another TV mounted on the wall for the master and another Bose soundbar. And there's also a little dressing station right here. So we have seen all of the interior spaces. Now it's time to make our way outside. Now the engine room is actually accessed by removing this cushion and then opening up this hatch here. Now this boat comes with 3 Cummins QSC 8.3 600 engines. These are 593 horsepower engines for a total of 1779 horsepower. The top speed on this boat is about 31, 32 knots. You can cruise right around 23, 24 with a range of 340 nautical miles. And there is another way to access the engine room underneath a hatch near the doorway. One thing to note is there are side access doors on port and starboard sides. But let's move forward and check out the really impressive bow area. You have handrails on either side, which you know I enjoy. So up here on the bow, you have this rather large sun pad area. I also really like the bench seating area as well. You can see more of the custom stereo upgrades the owner made. Then you can see a spotlight as well as your anchor and the windlass system. You can see you have plenty of space for fender storage. So I think we have seen the entire boat. Comment down below what your favorite part of the boat was. If you enjoyed the video, also please leave a like as it helps the channel more than you could ever know. Thank you so much to Prince William Marina for letting me do the tour. They will be linked down in the description if you want to see this boat in more detail. Until next time.